Ever wished you could easily break down your time-based data into insightful segments within Tableau? Let's dive into how to segment a duration field into intervals in Tableau. For more in-depth analysis, first, make sure you have the duration field ready in your data for this tutorial. Let's assume you have a field showing the total time spent doing something in seconds. Now, let's create a calculated field. This is where the magic happens in the calculation editor. We can write a formula to determine the intervals. The core of this process is the if and ELSEIF statement. You essentially are defining intervals using your duration. For example, if your duration field is less than 60 seconds, you can categorize it less than a minute, then ELSEIF it's less than 300 seconds. Put it in the 15 minutes category. Create as many intervals as you need to match your analysis needs. Remember that after a CH interval, that is not your final condition. An ELSEIF segment is needed when you're satisfied. End with end. Once you build your intervals, it's time to visualize them. Drag your new calculated field where you need it, e.g., rows, and then choose the measure that shows your total count to use as your values, e.g., columns. Voila! You now have distinct segments of your data. You can use colors, labels, and other features to customize the visualization. You have more granularity to understand your data. Congratulations! Your duration field is now broken down into easily analyzed intervals.